This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone. So if this is locked and you can't get it unlocked, hard reset it. Now you have to use a USB cable from your PC or laptop to do this. And you just plug it into the bottom of the phone, just like this. Now you have to power off your phone. So let's go to the top right, go to power, and then go to power off. Right here. So with this cable in, it will allow us to hard reset it. Now with it turned off, hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time and continue to hold this down. And you can count out loud 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll see the Samsung Galaxy logo. And it should bring us to the option to hard reset it now. So we can go down using the arrow keys. And you can see the option to wipe data factory reset right there. Press the power button to go ahead and select it. And then you have to confirm one more time. Now this is going to erase all the data off your Android phone. You can sign back in with your Samsung account, your Google account. And hopefully you don't lose too much information. But if your phone is locked, it will remove that lock screen and you can just log back in and use your phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.